cooking apa?
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Today Appa has a very beautiful black prawn fruit, very fresh. I'm going to deep fry it, maybe 半煎炸, half deep fry, half pan fry. Then I'm going to make a special ginger sauce. Something I tried at one vegetarian restaurant. I'm going to show you how to do that very aromatic ginger sauce. So we're going to saute the ginger first, give it some oil. Once the oil is heated up, we can actually saute the julienne ginger. Try to cut your ginger as thin as possible and try to make them more uniform, yeah? Meaning, you can see from here, Appa's got some very thin, some not so thin. Appa's cutting skill is very bad. So for those of you who can cut better, please try to make your ginger slices as evenly as possible so that the final result will come out better as well, right? So here we are actually doing this for two reasons. The first, we want to create some golden ginger slices, yeah. Secondly, we want to make some ginger oil, yeah. It is actually the ginger oil that will give you the very aromatic ginger flavor in the sauce later. Yeah, that's the secret actually. Nothing very special actually, very simple. But it tastes so good, seriously, with the ginger flavor. So keep on sauteing. It will probably take you, don't use too high heat, use medium fire. Probably just take you a couple of minutes, then it's done already. So this is after about 2-3 minutes. I'm actually using medium low heat right now so that I don't want it to go brown too fast and too dark. I think this is good enough. So I'm going to take out the ginger slices, yeah. So I have my ginger slices here and my ginger oil. We're going to fry the fish, so get ready a deeper pan or a wok. I'm using vegetable oil. This is actually palm cooking oil. More stable and it is a lot more affordable. Now we are going to raise the heat until the oil started to smoke, which is normally called a smoking point. That is telling you the oil temperature is around 180 degrees Celsius and above. While waiting for the oil temperature to rise, we can prep the fish. Of course, you want to wash the fish thoroughly and make few slits on the fish body like this, yeah. And I actually sprinkle a little bit of salt, yeah, on both sides also. And use a kitchen towel to wipe dry the fish so that it doesn't splatter as much. I think this black prawn fruit is around 900 grams, very big. Right, I have started to see a bit of smoke coming up. Now you know why I bought this pan, because it is so wide. Anything smaller, I can't fit this fish into my pan. Or wok, definitely, you can't go in. And it will still splatter, so be very careful, yeah. Right, this is after about 2 minutes plus. We have to be very careful because this fish is it's huge. I'm so scared. So we give another side another 2-3 minutes, yeah. Then I'll probably flip one more round. So basically, when you are deep frying fish, you don't really have to keep on flipping it. The more you flip it, the higher chance all the meat is going to break off. As you can see from here, just now for the first 2.5 minutes, we did not touch it even. So that's actually allowed the thin crust actually form at the bottom already. That's why it will not break off. I don't know about you, but when it comes to prawn fruit fish, all the fins actually taste even better than the meat later. I like to eat the fins and stuff. So this is after another 2.5 minutes, roughly. Let me carefully. Ooh. Carefully. Alright, basically the fish is almost there. I'm just going to give it another, each side probably another about 30 seconds to 1 minute, then it is done. Just want to get the kind of crispy and browny color that I wanted. That's it. Frying fish. By the way, I'm actually using a non-stick wok, so it also helps. But this is a non-stick wok that comes with some non-stainless steel, so it will give it. The good thing about it is actually it gives it higher heat. Yeah, you do need higher heat when it comes to frying fish. Right, this is the kind of brownish golden color that I'm looking for. Total frying time actually almost 8 minutes for this fish, because this fish is close to 1 kg lah. Not difficult to, not easy to fry. Yeah, basically it's done. I'm going to take it out, put it onto an oil absorbing paper or kitchen towel. Let me quickly show you how to make the gingery sauce. First of all, I'll give you a little bit of hot water here, just a little bit, not too much. Now, this is where the gingery come from. This is the ginger oil just now. Give it some light soy sauce, a bit of sugar, yeah. Good enough. Just stir until the sugar is fully melted. Then your gingery sauce is ready. The most important flavor here besides soya sauce is really the ginger oil. Yeah? If you feel it's too oily, then you can still remove some of the oil. If you find it too oily yourself, don't worry. I'll probably put a little bit too much ginger oil just now. I'm going to take it out. All right, the rest should be fine. And our very simple but extremely aromatic gingery soya sauce is ready. All right, here's the fish on the oil absorbing paper. On the serving plate. Sorry. Then I'm going to put the sauce on the side. And I'll put the fried ginger on top. There you go. Here's my very simple fried fish, but with some gingery sauce. Yeah. I hope you like my very simple video today. If you like my video, do share my video on Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow up on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.